Let me show you how to use your backtrack function on your Garmin VivoActive 6. So on this watch, if you actually start exercise, you are able to actually track yourself back in case you get lost, or maybe if you do some hiking in forest. Again, this is very useful. So all you really do is you first start a GPS exercise, so no matter what kind of exercise, so any will do, as long as it actually uses GPS. So simply start it, and I'm going to go away actually. Okay, basically I went actually maybe like 100 meters away and started exercise and came back, and if I want to basically navigate back to my starting point, I can either like swipe like this and click navigate over here and click back to start, either trackback or straight line. So straight line will basically lead you back in complete like straight line essentially, but this trackback will actually lead you back in the same way you actually like basically did your pass. So maybe if you were walking some kind of forest where you have some obstructions, if you select straight line, it will might actually lead you back basically over some kind of obstructions, and you won't be able to actually come back. So again, if basically it isn't like basically complete open field, I select basically the trackback. So, and then it will kind of navigate back you in the same direction. As you see, I actually have this like mini map, and also I can see the distance where I need to go, and also if I like tilt my watch, as you see, it kind of indicates where I actually need to go. Also, there is one negative about this trackback function on this watch. We actually can't really zoom and pan on this watch for some reason, no idea why. Because, for example, on my Garmin Instinct, I'm actually able to do that, so the trackback function on this one is more advanced actually. And also, we can't see our city names over here, nearby ones. Again, on my Instinct, I'm actually able to do that. Maybe again, we have more buttons on the Instinct, so we have 5 buttons and only 2 buttons on this one. But still, no idea why we can't really like zoom in, zoom out, and also like pinch and move around. So this is kind of weird why they haven't included. But still, you can kind of figure out where you need to go, and yeah, the function actually works pretty decently. And also, if you swipe up in this logo, as you can see, you can also see your distance remaining, time, and of course, if you are, you can see some other things. So if you want to turn again, you can do that. Okay, basically, yeah, I'm back to the main starting point. Also, for example, if I press this to pause it, it will also give me this option to back to start over here. So again, same. So it will, I guess, kind of be a bit different, I'm not sure. Looks the same appears. So yep, basically this is how you use it. Anyway, good luck.